Isingit. Okay. Okay naman siya. Get the foot stool, put the sleepers, the rope, and let the patient be out of bed by helping it
Dangle.
dangle them out of bed. Put sa sabi ko sa may wheels, bago everything Lazarus muna. Ito wala na kasi dire-diretso na sa dangling, sleepers, rope, then out of bed, sit. With wheels, lock the wheels, saka mo siya idadangle, saka mo siya, kung nakaupo na siya. There are different kinds of commode. Sabi mo nga, yung ganyan, meron din ako nakita nun. But the setup is the same. Parang chair-like ang bedside ko. Okay. Back towel, cover, good. Cover, back towel. Then, hold button, yes. Check kung kaya mong iwanan yung pasyente. With your ear assessment, that will determine that you can leave the patient. Pero kung hindi, please do not leave the patient. If possible, stay bedside. Diba? Actually, yan na sinabi sa hospital, hindi ba pag sinabi na you can leave the patient kasi may call button? No. Assess wisely. Kung pwede iwanan, pwede. Kung hindi, just the vicinity within. Para magaling mo siya. Case to case ang... Diba? Okay. Any questions? Oh. Wait. Catheter. Flushing.